Hello, and welcome to the rebuilding of Meemaw's camp, Spoonbill Inn. Before we talk about that night, March 30th, 2014, let's briefly talk about the history of Spoonbill Inn. For the past few decades, Spoonbill Inn has been located right here where I'm standing. And every single year, we always have that one question that everybody seems to ask is, will there be a flood? Will we have to rebuild Spoonbill Inn? If you think Derby Day is the kickoff to summer and we won't get any more floods, well, you might want to think again. There's an old saying that Papa used to use, and I mentioned that saying to Mackenzie, and she's going to let you know what that saying is right now.
8 showers bring the May race.
We had mild floods back in 95 and 96. Spoonbill Inn had survived. But in March of 1997, we had a major flood that took down the camp. We never rebuilt it. In 2009, a decision was made to tear down Meemaw's old camp on the hill and rebuild a bigger and nicer Spoonbill Inn. 2 years later, in the year 2011, the new Spoonbill Inn was hit with its first flood. Flood, we cleaned it up and continued on. But on March 30th, 2014, no one could have predicted that Spoonbill Inn would be hit with its worst disaster.